So hello guys. So for today's vlog, I'll show you the steam banana cake with fudgebar Choco and a Belgian chocolates on top.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you! So my steamer, I put banana leaves because I make banana cake. So organic po guys. Only leaves I use. So see you. So this is the picture of my banana cake steam before steaming. So we will see unsay resulta ani. So this is my steam banana cake. Hindi siya nag-open up. I put Belgium chocolate. Grabe. I will eat this for my lunch. We will see how it tastes. It's yummy guys. My steam banana with fudgebar. I'll taste it. Lami siya guys. Bisagwa siya ni Liki, no? Imagine. Bisagwa siya ni Liki guys. Lami. I will make it again. Because I have a lot of bananas. Look at the texture of the banana. It looks brown spots because I put fudgebar Choco. Enjoy your meal. I'll eat now. This is my steam banana cake with fudgebar Choco. But I also put Belgian chocolates. So yummy guys. Let's eat. Lami. Next time I'll make bingka. So hello guys. So for today's vlog, I'll show you the steam banana cake with fudgebar Choco and a Belgian chocolates on top. So this is my lunch. So thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icons. Nindot kayo guys. Wala lang siya muliki pero in fairness guys, lami siya. But next time I'll use kinugay sugar, the brown sugar, so that it will be brown. So lami guys, sure promise. Sa steam lang guys, wala. May oven ako but hindi ko gagamitin. So steam lang, madali, 30 minutes, it's done. Till my next vlog. Bye for now.